storms rise high and hope is thin, I feel your strength come rushing in. Though I may stumble, though I fall, your grace will carry me through it all. In my weakness, you are strong.